Hey guys, thank you for joining me for another video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cook up what I caught earlier this day. The 2 whitefish and a little, shall we say, surprise. I wasn't planning on catching that, but I noted it in the first video and, well, I decided not much luck fishing, so why not try that? I haven't had that in years, so yeah, might be fun. I also I've run out of, well, you know, pine pitch glue, and I collected up quite a bit of this is just half of what I collected, so I'm also cooking up some more pine pitch glue. You can see I've got a good fire going there, working up some embers to get cooking, and I'll try and show you there. My skillet and hip flask with oil. Thank you, Nick, for giving me that idea. That was excellent. And there are some charcoal to add to my pine pitch glue, and of course loads of wood. So let me get this ember base going here, and I'll prepare some of the things I caught today. I'll show you here in just a second. So just trying to get the ember base going, and I'll be right with you. Well, I'm losing daylight fast now, guys, because making that pine pitch was a little bit tougher because I used wet charcoal. But anyways, I went ahead and I gutted, and let me flip the screen here so I can see. I went ahead and I just cleaned and gutted the fish. Cooking it like this is it's alright. Now the part that I wasn't planning on doing are these. They are frog legs. Oh, get it in the shot right there. Oh, sorry. The way you clean them, very simple, very easy. Take a sharp knife, grab a hold of the skin, make a small cut, and you just take the skin, pull right off. Like that. Take it, pull it down, and what you're left with is the meat, all the skin hanging out on the back. So yeah, sorry for the light air, palm just got away from me. I cut it off at the bottom joint, and it's ready to, so now we're just gonna do all these others, and then I'll cook it up on the fire where I've got some good embers going now. Alright, here it goes. Let's see if we can cook up these things. I got some nice vegetable oil, making sure that heats up, putting it directly on the flames. Trying to get it to stand about even. Doesn't matter too much. Frying the fish and adding on the frog legs. It's very dark, so you probably can't see very much, but I'm sure you can hear it. I didn't bring a tool with me, so I'm just using my knife here and making sure everything gets coated well. Try not to burn it because that's a very thin skillet in there, just using my knife to turn the fish. Those frog legs really don't need very long at all. Just make sure it doesn't stick. About, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. The fish is cooked, the frog legs are done. Sit down, just relax. Enjoying what nature gives you. It's a lot different than going to the store and buying stuff. So that's that. My trip today, divided into 2 parts. One fishing and one cooking. I'll also show you that pond pitch I did. I always carry a pond pitch glue like this on a stick. It's rock hard. You just put it on the flames, heat it up, put it on what you need. So it's rock solid. This is hard. So thank you guys for watching, and please press the subscribe button if you like it, and I'll continue making a lot more videos. Have a good weekend, guys.